Now, by default, we're already set to linear mode, which is what we want, but we don't want the movement. We don't want it going up on position Y, so we'll set that to 0. What we actually want to do is shrink down step by step by step, but we don't want to shrink down per step. We want it to start at the full size and then shrink down to really tiny, I'd say like 1%. So what we're going to do is set the mode from per step to end point. So now we can put in a number here, which will be the end point. So I'll put 1%. So we've got full size ring, a 50% ring, and essentially a 0 or 1% ring. But now as we increase our count, we'll have more or less rings. So that works pretty well. So I'm gonna set this to 50 because I found that to be a pretty good resolution for the image while not being too heavy on the poly count. So we'll start by doing a still and not doing any Mography things. But there's still a couple things we have to do to set up. First of all, we want to maybe sweep this so we have some geometry to work with. So what I'm going to do is create, let me think, let's create a sweep nerd. And we will create a rectangle. And if we drop in the rectangle and the sweep and then drop in the cloner, you'll see we're sweeping around it.